ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kawai ke Longkmie ke balatip kerteng kum kakong Edalin Kardo Sao nakasnong Rwiang West Khasi his district kalajar ngai na lagasnong nadu ka khatnriu trik unai lur arajar arpulai bala Subaru bakani ke Longkmie kala lej bud ya wei ubar Jylla ya balatip kerteng kum umridul bora ubadei unong Trei jong ka Karkhana Shakhambari Ferro Alloy Company Rwiang. Usoda jongkasnong Rwiang uba irkar hakajinga keren bekila pathai kubor ulaong bakasnong Rwiang haringkat bagi bahaya ngasem jong kani ke Longkmie kila ujo dak ejahar ha Nongstoin Police Station halo kajingja jong kani ke Longkmie ringkat ban uni ubar Jylla. Shu Leit bakasnong Rwiang haka arpotrik unai lur aja apulai kila lej yakren berkibor penya jong ke Karkhana bikin wan Rwiang ya kani ke Longkmie bat hadien kani kasnong kala khang tala no shwa ya kajaka Treikam jong kani ke Karkhana dak kajingtmu bakibor penya jong ke Karkhana kin shimkhia banwan ya lambiang ya kani ke Longkmie sya kani ke snong. Ulai ru bah ka arpoitri unai lur aja apulai hadien bala plebiang ya kani ka Treikam jong ka Karkhana na kalian jong ka Nyau Tribe Youth Council West Khasi District ringkat ka jingan Trelang berkador bar snong ha ka arpo artrik unai lur aja apulai kala leiban khang talabiang ya kani ka Shlam Treikam jong kani ka Karkhana tar hadu baki bor penya jong ka Karkhana kindala banwan Rwiang ya kani ka Longkmie.
Dia kada untuk dataran sisigan ke okat itu akan reutare dari itu akan simplai pan makajaan tu kai warat tai simplai di arnah tai arnah tai mun tai la dat pa bila pa pa ya dah dong yang tu kai por asin kan saya kubor dah dong minta pat ya kan ini kalau ba wan ka swata ka beri ni kan sa libiang Trei au kali apa ke long la bala bor min seperti yang bala don di personal ni bawan nemo bawan lek pen tu kala bala lek di bor di mana itu dia tahu kan itu
di kelamong ye
yang ni ya trelang ni lek buat lang dan min pada tempo ba don dia beri hang senang bila lagi mati ke pilek lagi nanya lambat polis.
Sementara mana dapat bala peligan?
Kita pelim menim jenet. Tapi nak betul nama dia jalan ada juga sini deh. Tapi rumyo dan suspect kita.
This has been happened. Then we immediately cooperating with the villagers and also police came here. And they had made a joint discussion with the local village and police and company. And immediately next day, with police, we went to Boko, his residence, and his residence is under the Soigaon police station. Then the Nongstoin police and border police thana, it is a Manakata police thana, and Soigaon police thana, all the three thanas people along with me went to the boy's house. And he has wife, 2 children, his mother and father. Police interrogated lot of questions to them and tried to sketch where is the boy. But the family members, the headman of the village and the other villagers, nobody knew where was the boy. And till today, they do not know where is the boy because his mother called me and asked me whether we have got any information or not. Secondly, we have no alternative. We do not know where he is, whether he is in Assam, whether he is in Meghalaya or any other state. There is no traceable because he has 2 mobile phones, all are switched off. So we do not know. We are cooperating with the village. In spite of that, villagers came and locked our office and locked our store. Then what we can do? We can take the help of police. We inform the police district administration. It is bound that something unrest going on for the sake of the property and for the sake of the life of the people here. So we have informed the local administration and they sent the patrolling party and patrolling party came and unlocked the office. But store is still locked. And today's development that they came today, they locked this thing and forcefully they shut down our industry. So we are helpless because we are working here for the industry. If a driver did some misdeed and take eloped a woman, she is also married lady from the local village. So it is a joint effort. We are giving our full effort. Meghalaya, where we can give the effort, but local people give the more effort to do this thing. But instead of that, we have been given the so pressurized that we have to bring the boy. But is it possible for us or like people like us who are working in this area to go out and bring the boy? Because he is untouchable. The boy knows Khasi, the boy knows Assamese, though he is a Boro boy, he is also tribal from Assam. He knows Khasi and he has a very strong relationship with the village. It is not one day effort. It is not a one day matter. He has a long-term association and long-term relationship with the villagers. So villagers know him very well than us because he is our driver. We do not have, he is doing his duty. We are the administrator. That is our relationship. In spite of that, he did this thing without our knowledge. But villagers know, local people knows it very well, Because he knows Khasi, he has a good relationship, strong relationship with all the villagers than us. Because we do not know the local language.
Naru mesti sajan kalau jak kau ke Longkmie hang ni. Hadirin bagi lakli bah yang bau weru nak ka factory yang ni Trei yang ka tiro aloi hang ni Rwiang ujak lah kita ko. Nak liang jungi lawan ban kali nak naru di bayam macam liang ka senang ru nak liang jungi kila jawab bah. Kintip balai gajah balai gajah te lasi bagai dia jengkit nap jungnu ke Trei khamtam to we baja nak ke factory te nak liang jungi ka seng ngilak li ka nak liang ja ka senong ke ka senjam ka senong ka sim te nak liang ka senong di ong ba senjam ka bala sim do senong ka long bakin khang shwe factory hadu bakin dawan rak pat ngata ka Longkmie yo ka senong hak ni ka senong hang ni Rwiang te ki ong men sisngi bila wan khang ni factory Trei menin bila pun sangi ki ong ba nak liang ngimtip la kadeka police department la ne kadeka nak liang jang ki Trei jong factory gila pli biang ya ta katala ka balakang da ka snong te nak liang jong ngi wan ha ne ko por i wan ban khang ya ka factory hang ni la ong ru bade wan sange no ban Trei bat ngi menta gila sedau gi mesin ru te nak liang jong ngim dan kanu ko bangin ong handai ta ka we kelong ba kane ka factory ha bakawan ban Trei hang ni kade ban gurom ya ki kendon jo ka snong nadu ka agreement ka balaya soy haka shotrik munai balai arja sukhau kala de paniate ba kinu ki jing kin ya perkhat lang Trei ka basosi long la ka snong kawan ha kini bru jong factory hang ni kim kren kim pensai kile bung sinyo kile he ya kata tinak liang jungi kum ka sang ni wan hang ni khang na factory tat hadu ba de ban pen phai yang ya ta ka bru jungi balaya hang ni te khnang ba hadin kata nak liang jungi kasong sa kasong mana perkan bayi ni suka sana kasong bayi jungi kila poi kabru hang lagi peliru ekta nak lihat jungi nom tuklat bayi mentah logi depan le kata mentah yo jai kini kabru hang ni poi snong manu ban pak klik te ada ngilak klik factory kala ne man pak klik lar oh factory kamla ban pak klik de sange shwa ban Trei tat hadu bangin dayu i yang kan kuikan kai snong